In this video, I'll show you how to change your classical and drawing ringtone to your video ringtone, and watch it till the end because I'll give you a tip how to change and go back to your classic settings. So first of all, you would need cool video ringtone for incoming call application, which you can get from Play Store. Open up your Play Store and search for this application. Now let's press open. So we're opening it up. We may see some advertisements. We might give the necessary permissions. And let's start with choosing the language. So I'll go with English. Choose any other language if you need any other language. Now give all the necessary permissions. So here, choose your video ringtone. Give your phone permission. Then you gotta give your draw video, your general permission, and the last one to show always to pick always allow, right? So all of those pages, simply go through them, press always allow, now press continue. So there we are. Now we can set it up. We can choose a call buttons, we can preview, we can choose some backgrounds, and what we are the most interested in videos. So let's press videos. You can either select from one of the preset videos. There are many of them. They're quite colorful and bright. However, if you want to set up your custom one, press select from gallery and choose the desired video. For example, let it be this one. Press yes. So that's the preview. That's how your calls will look like from now. Press a theme. You can choose individual for some contact, or press all contacts if you want it to be the all contacts. Great. You can also set up call buttons if you want to. And when you're making any changes, simply press preview and you will see how it looks like. And basically that's it. So here's a little tip. If you want to delete this video ringtones and want to switch back to normal, simply delete the application. So locate the application, hold your finger on it, press on the trash icon, press uninstall, and you're automatically back to normal. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.